golden days drifting far away. Light is leaving town. Colors fade, but I'm thinking we stay just for a little while. Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time will wait. So just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way. It's colder but the day's not over yet. Summer nights, watch them go by as we fight off the cold. Holding you tight, you know just what I'm thinking. I don't want this moment to go. No, I don't want this moment to go. Let's lose track of time. Darling, stay for a little longer while I hold your time will wait. So just rest your head upon my shoulder. Nothing in our way. It's colder but the day's not over yet.
I still dream about you every night. Guess I'm wondering if you're alright. I wish I didn't do that, but I do. And do you ever dream of me? Or are my visions just a one-way street? If they are, then that's okay. 'Cause a dream is just a dream. It doesn't mean anything. Pro basketball, picture you saying if you were tall, then you could have gone pro, but you got my blood, so it's just a dream, a far-off thing. It doesn't mean in a dream. It doesn't mean anything, but it means everything. I'm sorry that I've put you on the back burner. Other matters have occupied my brain. I know that's not an excuse to forget about you, but I guess that's just life some days. Now that I'm out of the metaphorical woods, I'd like to take you on a date. I'll put on a new shirt, shave my face so it's more kissable, 'cause that's the spark that we need some days. When you're gone, I'll speak your love language. Acts of service and whatever the other four are. When you get home, you know I love the love we make. But if you need to just kiss, that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm not really into compromising much, but it doesn't really feel that way when it's at the hands of true love.
I know a place where we can go and be alone. So come away with me, nobody has to know where we gonna go. I was just calling to see friends. We'll let them know we're safe later on. The road is calling, sun on our skin, sleeping under stars when it